Hello children, I'll begin the same chapter, Kingdom Classification 1. This is the second part of the video and I will begin with Kingdom Fungi. Fungi includes a wide variety of organisms which are neither plants nor animals. They do not have chlorophyll, so they depend on other organisms for their food. They are saprophytes. They depend for their nutrition on dead and decaying organic matter. They grow best in warm and humid conditions. They can be unicellular such as yeast or multicellular such as rhizopus. Mold is a common fungus. We will study about mold. Molds appear as cottony thread-like mass which grows on moist leftover bread. Mold consists of filaments known as hyphae. Each hypha contains many nuclei distributed throughout the cytoplasm. A bunch of hyphae forming a network is known as mycelium. Most hyphae grow on the surface of organic matter, but some of them they grow downwards and form root-like structures. These root-like structures are called rhizoids. The hyphae which grow upwards swell at the tip to produce sporangium. Nutrition in mold. As I told you that fungi lack chlorophyll, so they cannot make their own food like other green plants. They depend on dead or decayed organic matter for their food. Their hyphae spreads rapidly and penetrate the food material on which they grow. The tips of the growing hyphae, they secrete digestive enzymes into the food. The food is first digested and then it is absorbed into the hyphae. Respiration in molds. Bread molds, they respire aerobically. This means they use atmospheric oxygen for respiration. However, they do not have any specialized respiratory organ and absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide through the process of diffusion. Now, fungi can be useful as well as harmful. We will begin with useful fungus. Humans, they use fungi as food like mushroom, morchella. These are edible, which are eaten by human beings. Fungi are used in the preparation of antibiotics. There is an antibiotic penicillin, which is produced from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Fungi are saprophytic in nature. They decompose dead and decayed organic matter and thus they release the nutrients back into the environment. Yeast is a common fungus that has the ability to ferment sugar. Therefore, it is used in the production of wine and other alcoholic beverages. Yeast is also used in the production of bakery products. Some fungi are used in the production of a variety of. Now we come to harmful fungi. Some of the fungi which grow on food products such as breads, fruits and vegetables, they are poisonous and they can cause illness when they are consumed. Fungi also cause diseases in plants. For example, late blight of potato, rust of wheat, brown spot of rice. These are some common diseases caused by fungi. Fungi induce human and animal diseases also like athlete's foot, oral thrush, etc. Now we come to Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes all the plants which are present on the earth. They are made up of more than one cell, the organisms which are present in Kingdom Plantae. The plant cells have cell wall and a green colored pigment which is known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps in the process of photosynthesis. Plants lack mobility, which means they cannot move around as animals do. However, they show other type of movements like leaves of touch-me-not plant droop when they are touched. The fifth kingdom is Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia comprises multicellular organisms including human beings also. All organisms of this kingdom, they are heterotrophic in nature. They totally depend on green plants and other animals for their food. Animals are broadly classified into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Those animals that have got a backbone or a vertebral column, they are known as vertebrates, and those animals which lack a backbone or do not have a backbone, they are known as invertebrates.